Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be filming with my mum. I made her wait outside of the car so I could do like a cool montage of me driving the car out of the driveway and just feeling really adulty. So yeah, but I realized I probably should do the intro with her in the car. So Mom, you're allowed in. I forgot to put the L plate.
Well, you need to.
Can you do it for me? You said something very bold in the last video. You said that you should start your own YouTube channel.
I'll start my own YouTube. Who wants to see my own YouTube? But I need ideas. What would I do?
And
but did anyone want me to?
I was a little bit offended because I use you for views. You can't just go off and do your own thing. Okay. So we're going to test you today and see if you're actually interesting. And we're going to do a day in the life of Rose. And I'm just going to... I'm just going to film what me and Mum get up to. So I'm driving. So we're going to do that. And we're just going to have a chill, fun, crazy, cool, amazing day with Rose.
Come join the fun.
Okay. If you're new here, make sure to use thumbs up, subscribe, press the red button.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, you're going to voice over my makeup.
Okay. So now she's putting something on her face. I think it's, I don't even know what it's called. Oh, she's filling in dots. It's like painting really, isn't it? Oh. What's that? That's blusher? No, it's not. It's just like painting your face. Now you got to colour it in. Oh, very pretty. Oh, and then we're shaking something up here. Putting the powder on under the eyes. Okay, that's a good look. Very good. What does that do? I have no idea. Would sit in all your creases. Oh, we've had a spill. That's going to cost me later when she has to buy some more. Okay, now she's putting fake freckles on. Okay. As you do. Most people don't like freckles. Unless you've got freckles, and they're cute. Now the lippy on those gorgeous lips. Very good. Beautiful. It all comes together nicely. Filling it in. It's really like painting, dot to dot. Well done. Looking good. Look at the lips. Look at the eyebrows.
Okay, everyone.
Oh.
Jesus, that went fast.
It's wet. The roads are flooded.
Where am I going?
I don't know.
Where?
It's really uncomfortable sitting like this.
You don't have to hold it like that.
Wow.
Hold it however you like.
I don't want to see out my nostrils.
I don't know where I'm going.
Just go. Oh, just wait. You concentrate on driving.
And go.
Slow, don't. You'll skid out.
I wasn't skidding on the road. Maybe my pants. I'm kidding.
No, I'm skidding my pants.
I'll skid on the road. You skid in your pants.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Wait, where am I going again?
Now I'm doing a poll. Who thinks I hate lips? I think I need to get my lips done.
Reckon?
Have lips like Katie. Yes or no? And donations are accepted. Beauty is expensive.
Okay, so we're currently at the place we want to go to, and we made it. Yeah. I accidentally went over the gutter a bit, but how was my parking job?
Great. We'll work on it.
Anyway, so we're gonna go in. Okay, we're back and just took off our masks. And our makeup is ruined. Well, mine is.
Mine's beautiful.
But I want to show you what I got because I'm so excited. Ooh, can you help me? If you know I've been hunting down for this certain thing for so long because our supermarket stopped selling it. And I'm so excited. I finally found them. Look.
That's mine. If Oyster Bay want to sponsor me?
Chobani, strawberry and banana, the best flavour. And they stopped selling this flavour. So when I say I got a lot, this isn't even half of them. I got a lot. I had to stock up because nowhere near us sells them. So, yeah. Oh,
We can't tell you where we got them from because then you would all come and buy them. We're not telling you.
yeah, don't come. Alright, we're gonna go back into our suburb now. Do you have anything to say?
Not really. It's boring. We've got nowhere to go. Because Dan won't let us go anywhere.
Stop being so rude to Dan on here.
I like Dan. Sometimes. And sometimes I just want to go out for lunch maybe. I'm starving and it's not even voting for me to do anything.
Well, maybe that's good.
I'm hungry. Are you saying I should starve myself?
No, I'm saying you should spend money on food.
Oh, don't spend on you.
Yeah.
See? Shit happens when you've been rude to me.
You stupid.
I wasn't recording, sorry.
We're in the drive-through. I didn't hit the curb like I did last time. I've only ever done this once. This is my second time. Medium, what'd you say? A regular skinny hot chocolate?
Yes, regular skinny hot chocolate.
Hi, can I please get a regular skinny hot chocolate?
No, you can't, stupid bitch.
No, thank you. Thanks. If I know the person, put the camera down, okay? But still record, just go like this, okay?
You watch, don't run up the out of someone.
No. I can't believe you weren't recording.
So, can't work the phone. I pressed it. Oh, God. You want to see that? Watch.
It's only so awkward if I know the person. Do you reckon I can see?
Of course I can see things right in the car. Do you want me to put it down?
No, that's fine. Hello. Yeah. No, that's fine. Thank you. I wonder if Hope's working. Make your hot chocolate.
Oh.
I don't know if she's
I forgot to say extra hot because it's always cold from here. Hope, if you're listening to this, I know it's not you, but extra hot, okay? Extra hot. Thank you. I know yours are really good.
Get you in it as well.
Can you see my chin?
Oh, okay.
Just around the front so I won't be too long.
Cool, thank you. Oh my god, I've never done this before. Oh my god, I did that really good. So I did really good last time I hit the curb and I didn't do that this time. So I think I'm a drive-through pro now. We're gonna go try and park after this because I'm a horrendous parker. So we'll see how that goes. I think they're coming, don't make eye contact. Pretend you don't even know.
Give me a hot chocolate.
Yeah, thank you.
Have a great one, no worries.
Oh my god, we're so cute. Okay, there's no one coming.
Cheers, Hope.
Yeah, it's probably not even home. Tell me if it's good. Give it a test.
It's hot, yay!
Can I make that? I probably could.
No.
When do I go?
Not yet.
Now?
Yes. Oh.
Where are they turning?
Yeah. Oh no! Stop!
All right, quick, hurry up. There's a car. You should not have gone then.
Oh, my window's down. Don't want them to know that we're running them over. What do you rate your hot chocolate?
8 out of 10. If it was you, Hope, it's 10 out of 10.
Oh, can I go straight?
Yeah.
Oh, but I can't.
No, you just go over. Just make sure no one's there and put your blinker on.
It's a bit risky.
It's really vodka in this.
What are you on about? You're cutting me off, Mum.
Sorry.
It's not Okay, guys, we're gonna try park. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Wow, I'm really good. I think that was perfect.
Check.
Oh.
Perfect on my side.
Very good.
Did I actually do good?
Yeah, you're like that.
Okay, let's try a different park. Okay, park number 2, as you can hear, wasn't very good.
We're going to get a professional teacher to park, darling.
Hey guys, it is really late right now. I just finished watching the footy game. But I forgot to end this video, so if you like it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. subscribe to my channel right down below. I literally have no energy right now, but subscribe, press the red button, and yeah. Bye, guys.